On this episode of Novice Garage, we put motorcycle tires on a car.
And 3, 2, 1.
Here we go, boys.
Oh man.
I know we've been gone for a while. We've been taking a break, mainly to work on our runway racing event, which happened last Sunday. Guys, the event went amazing. So special thank you to all of you guys that came out and supported. Here's a quick snippet from the event. We had drifting, we had autocross, we had all sorts of stuff going on there. Well, mainly just drifting and autocross, those two things. Enjoy. Guys, in the middle of editing this video, I actually got confirmation for our next runway racing event. Link in the description. I'm gonna keep this short. Follow us on Facebook. It'll be there. Thanks. Like I said, guys, we took a break. Sorry about that. We were just taking a step back from making videos to make sure we were getting everything done that we needed to be getting done. Oh yeah, and I'm solo today. So, I mean, I got Chris behind the camera, so.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Yeah. We got 4 of these wheels. We mainly use 2, I don't know yet. The idea of this video is to somehow adapt these to fit on this car behind Chris. So basically, by the end of this video, we're gonna have something in the shape of that. We went on Craigslist and found some guy selling some enduro tires. So these actually come off of a special kind of motorcycle. The guy said he used to do like uphill racing and all sorts of cool stuff. So we got an awesome history lesson from him, and we picked up 4 of these wheels and tires for like exactly $21, because that's all I had in my wallet at the time. And he was pissed, but not really. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button with post notifications on. And guys, we will be posting a new video every single Monday, so make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with what we got going on. We're always coming at you with crazy experiments and cool ideas, so don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button. They're pretty old. We may have to replace a couple tires on them. We'll see. We might turn this into a can you patch your tire with Flex Seal video. We'll find out. Luckily, if you guys remember the power wheels on the Miata video, we still have some spacers left over from that. By the way, link in bio, or this is an Instagram, link in description. Go check that video out. It was pretty fun. We actually went to Harbor Freight and bought literally the cheapest welder Harbor Freight sells, which was probably the worst decision I made all week, because yeah, I should have bought some Tylenol to go with that purchase. But we're gonna go ahead and head over to a family friend of mine. He restores classic cars. He knows what he's doing. And I called him, asked him if we can come over today, and he has no idea what we're bringing. And I'm sure when he finds out what we're doing, he's gonna be like, so let's go ahead and load these wheels up and let's head over to Roger's house. All right, guys, pulling up to Roger's house right now. I'm so excited. Oh, hello. Anyways. And they don't gotta go fast. They don't gotta go on the highway. But that's kind of like, that's my idea at the moment.
If you could drill in and tap here and somehow make this is to the car.
Uh-huh.
You need a damn good machinist, is what you need.
Yeah. Perfect. All right, guys, we're back at the garage. Can I help you? All right, guys, we're back at the garage. So basically the idea is we took the brake drums out of each wheel, and the plan at the moment, we're gonna drill 4 holes for our spacer to kind of just bolt in like that. Definitely easier said than done, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got the holes in the wheel drilled. We've been spending the last half hour figuring out what we're gonna do, and I think we came up with a good solution. Here is one of our spacers. What we went ahead and did is we knocked out all 4 of these wheel studs, and we actually went to Ace Hardware and we bought, basically we're replacing the studs with these guys right here. This is kind of our mock-up right now. So as you can see in there, we have our 4 really bad holes drilled out. Alright boys, here we go. Moment of truth. Well, kind of moment of truth. Oh, you know what? We do have a problem though. Alright guys, so it looks like we're gonna have to make yet another trip to Ace to get some more bolts because our current plan is not working. So the main problem that we found out, see, these guys would work great. The problem is we forgot that with our current design, this little nub in the middle makes it to where the bolts we bought are way too short. So let's go to Ace and let's get some longer bolts. We're making this happen today. We're making this happen. All right guys, so we got what we needed, and I gotta say, Toyota has really been up in their interior game. I mean, it feels like an off-brand Tesla in here. Oh yeah, look at that, dude. Look at that.
We have 2 things. 1, do you have a life insurance policy? And 2, and this is related, are you gonna do a burnout?
Is it centered? I can't tell if it's centered or not.
Keep spinning it.
Well, obviously it's pretty good if you haven't said anything yet.
It's close enough. Dude, look at this.
Guys, look at this. It looks so awesome. All right, guys, motorcycle wheel on the car. Let's see if it clears the fender. We're about to find out. Dropping the car in 3, 2, 1, add brake.
Don't drop it fast.
Hold on. Oh boy.
Does that have air in it?
Yeah, it has air in it.
Okay.
Woo! It might need more air. Oh boy.
Right.
Keep going.
It's cracking, bro. That thing's
Don't
gonna
tease
break.
me.
It's gonna get for $21.
This looks freaking amazing. I think we may have to tighten it a little bit more, but either way, it's still good. And we had to put some more air in it. Obviously, these tires are a little bit dry rotted. We'll have to replace that. But I mean, as you can see, guys, it's still holding the air. So, so before we put our wheel on, let's go ahead and try and drive it.
I think it's gonna break.
You think it's gonna break?
Well, it's dry rotted, dude. Look at this. It's cracking really bad.
Guys, drop a like right now. We need them. It feels like my shocks are blown. So far, so good. It hasn't collapsed.
Oh, it's creepy. It's creepy.
Oh, wait, no. That tuck though. What do you think, huh? Hey.
The guy we bought these tires from said the motorcycles that, you know, meant for didn't weigh more than like 300 pounds. Obviously this car weighs about 2,300, so, you know, do some math. Just under 600 pounds per side-ish, since the Miata is a 50-50 weight distributed car. You guys ready to put another wheel on? Let's do it. Time to do tire number 2.
Can I help you?
Stop! Give me that!
Wait for him to run off with it. So, funny note, in order to get the studs knocked out of the spacer, Assistant Chris is actually using a mop. So, hey man, whatever works. we have both motorcycle wheels on the Miata. They're looking pretty good. Obviously the first test with that one side did exceptionally okay, I would say. These are the bolts we ended up using. This right here is the original stud that was in the wheel spacer. Far too short for our application. So these are the bolts that we actually used. And honestly, it's pretty damn sturdy. And surprisingly, with my hella off drilling, it's still pretty centered, I must say. So, I mean, we started it up, we put it in gear, and you guys saw. It wobbles a little bit, but we're not going on the highway. You know, this is for some Dukes of Hazzard style driving around town. So, honestly, this looks pretty clean. If it wasn't rusty, you know, we could paint this chrome. You got the wheel spacer in there. I mean, we might be starting a new trend, boys, honestly. I don't know, the Stance boy is about to be hella jealous. That's all I can say. All right, guys, there's only one thing left to do. Our car meet is actually tonight in a couple hours. So we're gonna go take this out. We're gonna drive it around, see how she drives. And guys, drop a comment right now. How long do you think the motorcycle wheels are gonna last on the road? Let's find out. That's what we're here for.
And 3, 2, 1.
Here we go, boys.
Oh man.
Here we go. And we have contact. How low will it go?
Oh no, dude.
What?
It's smushy. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Too late to take it back now.
No, keep going, keep going.
Oh, maybe.
Oh man, dude, it's all this dry rot right here.
Come on. We're close. We're close.
Pull the Band-Aid.
Pull the Band-Aid.
Pull the Band-Aid.
Ah!
All right, we're off. Yeah, we're good.
We're off. Hell yeah, dude. Woo! Good job, cameraman Joe. Look at that. So I thought we might have a fitment issue. Obviously not. Like, this thing's Gapplebees right now. Like, look at this.
Let's hang on. Let's try a shoe test. Yep. That looks horrible.
Dude, this is crazy.
Dude, this tire looks so naked right now.
This is sick, dude. I'm so happy right now. Let's try to get this thing out of the driveway without, you guys remember Power Wheels? Remember that? How it just went skirt. It landed on the frame. Oh.
The control arm is dragging.
Yeah, hopefully the car just doesn't go straight to the frame. That's what we're hoping for.
Oh my god.
Oh, you hear that creaking?
Yes.
We're doing 20 miles an hour right now, guys. 20 miles an hour. Oh, that rubbing, dude. All right, guys, it passed the street test. We were able to get up to the speed limit and it didn't fall off. So Joe is gonna take it for a spin in my backyard. You ready?
No, but let's go.
It rubs a little bit.
I like how you make the biggest guy get in the smallest car we have. I'm gonna die in this thing probably.
It's scraping so bad. Look at him go.
Man living. What's that, do a burnout?
Do a burnout. Wait, back it up. Back it up. He's gonna try to do a grass burnout.
It's already, that clearance is 0 right now.
That's so bad.
Oh, it's scraped. Dude, I think these are by far the smallest burnout marks we'll ever see. Look at that. God dang it, is Billy doing a burnout with his lawnmower again?
It didn't fall off.
It didn't fall off. So we're out here at our meet, about to get some reactions, I guess. Honestly, besides the tire being a little bit low on air, we're doing pretty good. I'm the only one up front right now. But, hop the curb. He always has great advice. Thanks for letting us use your parking lot. Can I do a donut? thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like on this video. If this video gets 10,000 likes, we're gonna do all 4 wheels and do it again. We will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
I know we gotta get it. I know we gotta get it. No, we gotta get it somehow.
It rubs a little bit.
I like how you make the biggest guy get in the smallest car we have.
Big guy in a little car.